You are trying to install a script and suddenly you see this kind of message here, MariaDB 10.3 plus or MySQL 5.7 plus required. Your current version is MariaDB 10.11. Then how do you rectify these issues? Now, this kind of issues is commonly on this Visa Lab script. If you come across Visa Lab script, you are definitely going to encounter this. So what do you do in this kind of situation? Sometimes you see that you will contact your hosting company and see they will tell you the issue is from the developer etc. This is a little issue for you to do. All you need to do is go to your script, yeah? Then on your install folder, open the install folder. Now you see index.php. Make sure you edit the index.php. Scroll down to your either line 88 to 93. Remember, 10.3 or 5.7 is required. So all you need to do is come back and change this. This 5.7 is okay. So this is where the issue is. Just change this 10.3 to 5.7. That is all. Save your project and go and reinstall your file. Everything will work like magic. This is just it. So this is just the issue that you have while you're trying to install your Visa Lab script or any script that prompt out this kind of error, MariaDB this and that. So just come to your cPanel, open the store folder, locate your line 88 to 93, just change it to 5.7. As easy as that. You have solved the problem. I hope you found value in this video. If you found value in this video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be first to receive our videos whenever we post them like this.